Here we also have a trinomial, but notice it's not written in standard form. So what I first would like to do is move the negative 15 to the right hand side, and that becomes plus 15. And then you can use whatever method of factorization that you would like to use. This one I'm going to do mentally. So I'll have x and the factors of 15 that will help me to make minus 8 would be 1 times 15. No, I can use 3 and 5. So minus 3 and minus 5 would make minus 8. So x minus 3, x minus 5. So that's a different method of factorization that you could use by simply using the factors of the constant value and trying to build minus 8 to form the middle term. Now I have x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x can be equal to 3. So I move the 3 over. Or I can say x minus 5 equal to 0. And that becomes x is equal to plus 5. So remember to use or, because either x equals to 3 or x equals to plus 5 would satisfy this equation.